When summer comes, it's time for paella on the barbecue, the Weber BBQ to be exact, and the recipe's gone over, the sofrato's made for the many parties that will be hosted, and the guest list is given to the bouncer. Every year the decorations are a little different, depending on the mood. Sometimes there's square tables, different colored tablecloths. Sometimes we do round tables. Sometimes we decide to put on some candelabras, but we always have the party light. And party favors, like fans for a hot summer night, or plantable cards, or messages in a bottle, and flowers. Everyone brings a tapas too. And when we see the moon coming up, well, that means it's time to light the barbecue. Some of the ingredients are cooked in advance, like the chicken wings, and depending on the ingredients at the market, it's either green beans or Romano beans. When the coals are ready, the pan's warmed up, and some of the shrimp and chorizo are cooked, but not cooked all the way. Then the beans and peppers are cooked in some olive oil, the rice is added, and then the sofrato. And you make sure it's mixed thoroughly around in the pan, and then you add your stock. Sometimes we use clam stock and sometimes chicken stock. And then next, the chicken wings are added on, and the shellfish. We put the mussels in, a little more stock is added. Some clams some years, depending what's good at the seafood market. Shrimp, heads on sometimes. And then the lid is closed and voila, the magic starts happening. And then at a certain point, the pan's lifted completely off and some grapevines are added. And then the paella is ready to serve. And then you're trying to get the nut, as we call it, that delicious crispy rice. This cast iron paella pan that fits perfectly on the Weber BBQ has just added so much fun to our summer parties. And throw in our Bel Espirit homemade pink wine and we've got a party. Yep, it's been fun over the years. So many different people have attended the parties. We've even had guests come from out of town. It's always a good time, and every year we look forward to hosting the paella parties, and we'll continue to do it at our new house too.